Hey guys, and welcome to another video, and today I will be showing you guys my new M17 gas mask. If you don't know, this is one of my favorites, if not my favorite gas mask. And I have the joy of reviewing it because I recently got one. This model is an M17A1, dated 1969 and produced by MSA. This does not have the outer resuscitation tube because if you actually were to use it, it would expose you to whatever's in the air and you could die. So, I'm gonna get talking about some of the features of this mask. Instead of using 40mm canister filters, this uses internal cheek filters that are secured in place at this little inlet valve thing. I can't get it off, but I did, and it's the black rimmed filter, meaning it stops riot agents. And here's this on it. I believe this might have been the date it was like sold off, I don't know. Here's another date, 69 MSA. I got this on eBay for about $69. I'm not sure if that was a good price or not. I do have the chemical hood on, but I won't be putting it on for this video. So I gotta fold the straps over the mask, and I'll get to show you the inside of it. Now, changing these filters is not that easy, but it is easy if you have prior experience. The closest I have is changing the filters on an M10. So this is the inside of the mask. It's quite worn, but at least no dry rot or cracking on the rubber. So there's the drinking tube. If you don't know, there's this little lever here, and when you pull it, gotta pull it the right way, the drinking tube moves forward. Now, this thing right here is the resuscitation mouthpiece. You blow into it to attempt to resuscitate someone who was unconscious or incapacitated. Unfortunately, it didn't work. Now, here's the oral nasal cup. These little buttons secure the cheek pouches and ensure that they're closed. Here's the oral nasal cup again. You have these little Tissot deflectors. Alright, I will put on the mask really quickly and show you guys what it's like with me in it. This mask is comfortable. It's not the most comfortable I've ever worn. The eye lenses are a bit yellowed because of its age. Again, here's the drinking tube. It's the US quick disc style. Now, this did come with a canteen cap. I have two other canteens, but I'll show you what it's like with the cap on. There's no water in this canteen, but I'll just show you what it would be like if you drank through it. You would unhook the drinking tube here and insert it into the canteen. And then you would grab this lever and place the drinking tube in your mouth and drink through it. Now there's no water in the canteen, so I can't show you what it's like to drink through it. Now personally, I don't believe cheek filters are that bad of an idea. Some people say, well, you can't change them in combat. Well, changing your filter in combat is never really advised, as when you're unscrewing the canister and placing it back on, that would introduce a small pocket of gas. It's only like this much, but depending on the type of gas, it would be enough to kill you or incapacitate you. And with these, I don't think you'd really be in a contaminated environment that long to have to change them. But what can go wrong will go wrong. So I'm going to take the mask off and give one final look at it. Alright, so I'm not exactly sure how safe these filters are, but I did have a look and they're not leaking or anything, so I guess that makes it safe. I'm not sure if these filters contain asbestos. I'm guessing not if they're the M13A2 filters. Maybe like the original filters that went to the ABC M17. Some people said they do, but as far as I know, they just contain chromium, which a lot of other filters in the time period did. So here's the view inside the mask. Here's the eyepieces. I do have some outside lenses, but they're quite sandy. I'll have to clean these sometime. And here is the carrier. I'm guessing this might have been an earlier one. I believe this is a duck canvas kind. U.S. Mask Chemical Biological Field M17 series. The mask would go in there. This is actually a pretty compact mask. And that's what it was designed to do. Now, this also has the, I believe it's called the M4 winterization kit. There will be these little, like, sort of a filter sock that would go over the inlet valve. That would stop, like, snow or water getting in the filter to prevent damaging it. This mask is a bit bulky, but it does not have a canister to get caught on anything. And as far as I'm concerned, it's a good mask other than the cheek filters. So that wraps up the video. Like and subscribe for more, and goodbye.